It's been 2 years since the LGBTQ2S+ community has come together like this, one of the largest festivals of its kind in the world, having to go virtual due to public health restrictions.
Nails, hair, hips, heels.
For drag performer Tynomi Banks, who thrives off the energy of a live crowd, it's been a challenge.
I was in the dark for a little bit just because you're just like, how do you connect with people? There's no stages. Like for me, my number one connection, if you've been to any of my shows, I love to connect and make you feel like the only person in the room.
But later this month, on Friday, June 25th, a glimmer or glitter of hope. Drive-In Queens, featuring Banks and a company of drag performers at Toronto's CityView Drive-In, the first show of its kind in over a year.
What are you doing to get ready for this?
Well, I have 2 shots now, so that's big preparation. I know I'm speaking for a lot of the girls. We're ready. I've myself, for the last month, have been training or like boot camp rehearsals.
And even though there are still restrictions and people have to stay in their cars, producer Michael Gorman says it's time for live shows to get back in the driver's seat.
People are so accustomed to doing online events and seeing shows online, and now we're ready to go back out there. The world is starting to open back up here for us and for these performers who have otherwise not had a stage to perform on in the last year and a half.
Describe how you think people are going to be reacting to at least being able to witness a live drag show, even if it's in their cars. Describe some of that energy that's going to be pent up.
People are not going to know what's hit them. When they hear loud music again, when they see human bodies on a stage again for the first time in a year and a half, you're going to get goosebumps.
Despite the lack of live shows during the pandemic, Banks has stayed busy. The Canada's Drag Race performer launched a clothing collection in support of Black Lives Matter Canada and was also featured in a Super Bowl commercial. So to bring the ups and downs of the last several months full circle, Banks can't wait to get back on stage.
Even though the people will be in their cars honking, that honk is closer to a scream that in a club than anything.
Ross Hall, Global News.